The OnePlus 15 and OnePlus Ace 6 will officially launch in China on October 27. OnePlus 15 will launch on November 13 in India. OnePlus 15 will be available in sand dune, absolute black, and a soft mist purple. It will also have a metal frame body with an IP68 rating and toughened glass protection for durability. The OnePlus 15 a triple camera setup, including a 50-megapixel Sony LYT700, a 50-megapixel Samsung JN5 ultra-wide shooter, and a 50-megapixel Samsung JN5 telephoto lens with up to 3.5x optical zoom, and OnePlus new Detail Max engine for sharper shots. Featuring the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.1 storage. Run on the latest version of ColorOS 16 based on Android 16. The OnePlus 15 will offer an improved glacier cooling system that will include a larger vapor chamber with its walls made from durable steel for better heat dissipation. 15 is tipped to sport a 6.78-inch 1.5K BOE X3 display with Dolby Vision support, 1 to 165 Hz 8T LTPO dynamic refresh rate and Pro XDR visuals, and 1800 nit peak brightness. An ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner. The new display features a 1.15mm ultra-narrow symmetrical bezel on all four sides. It will feature a 7,300 mAh battery with 120W wired and 50W wireless charging support. OnePlus 15 pricing in China, 12GB plus 256GB, 4,299 yen. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.